The sneezer. The one who sneezed. The sneezing splatter.
Indeed. And what is it you want now? A Gesundheit?
No, Excellency. Your forgiveness. I just wanted to point out there was no political or antisocial motivation behind my sneeze. It was a non-partisan, non-violent act of God. I curse the day the protuberance formed itself on my face. It's a hateful nose, sir, and I am not to blame for its indiscretions. Punish that which committed the crime, but absolve the innocent body behind it. Exile my nose, exile my nose, but forgive me, Excellency, forgive me!
My dear young man, I am not angry with your nose. I am too busy to have time for your nasal problems. I suggest you go home and take a hot bath. Or a cold one. Take something. Just don't bother me with this silly business again. Gibber, gibber, gibber. That's all I've heard all day. Gibber, 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 gibber.
Thank you, sir! God bless you and your wife and your household. May your days be sweet, may your nights be better than your days.
The feeling of relief that came over Chertikov was enormous.
May the birds sing in your window in the morning, and may the coffee in your cup be strong and hot.
The weight of the burden that was lifted was inestimable.
I worship the chair you sit on and the uniform you wear that sits on the chair that I worship.
You ready to talk?
I'm sorry, where am I? Read it.
He walked on singing and whistling like a lark. Life was surely a marvel, a joy, a heavenly paradise.
Oh, God, I am happy!
And yet,
And yet,
when he arrived home, he began to think.
have I been the butt of a cruel and thoughtless joke?
Had the minister toyed with him?
If he had no intention of punishing me, then why did he torment me so unmercifully?
If sneeze meant so little to the minister, why did he deliberately cause Chertikov to writhe in his bed?
To twist in agony the entire night!
Chertikov was furious.
I am furious!
He